Hi guys, welcome back to MS English, or if it is your first time here, welcome to MS English. My name is Matt, I'm an online English teacher, and I love to make these videos to give you a chance to speak English more like a native, or just to give you some confidence, okay? So, in my last video, it was just an introduction to this new playlist, which is about English grammar. Yes, it is the most boring for sure. However, it is about the difference between I like and I like to. When do we use the ing at the end of a verb? Okay, so the example I used was swimming, so I'll just keep swimming, okay? We'll make some more examples through the lesson, however, let's just use swimming to start with. Okay, so when we're talking about it in the present, right now, okay, you can use I like to and I like. They are the same, however, it depends what you say after the verb, okay? So, I like swimming. We use the ing. With no to, we say ing. So, if someone asks me a question, Matt, do you like swimming? Yes, I like swimming. Okay, so there's the basic one. Okay, people get confused. Can you say I like to swimming? No. Okay, it does sound a little bit strange. You would say I like to swim. I like to swim. So when we say that I like to swim, I like to swim, I like swimming. It's the same, okay? It's the exact same. So I can say, I like swimming, I like to swim. It's exactly the same, okay? The little bit more, when it's a little bit more confusing is when it's in the past tense. English tenses, okay? Present, a little difficult. Future is the easiest. We'll get to that in just a little minute. However, the past is definitely the most difficult. A few examples of past verbs. Let's say touch, to touch something. In the past, touched. Yeah, so we end in the ed, nice and easy. However, let's say read and read. Why don't we use an ed? Anyway, that is just another lesson, but just to show you that past tense can be really frustrating in English. So, swimming in the past, okay? So, present, I like swimming, I like to swim. So, if I would say in the present, I like to swim, or I like swimming, in the past, I could say, I used to like swimming. I used to like swimming. People do get confused by used to. I used to like swimming. This means that you don't like it now. You used to, in the past, you used to like swimming. However, in the present, you don't like it anymore because you used to. You used to like swimming, okay? The confusing part about that in the past is when we say, I used to like swimming. And you're going to think, Matt, you just said, if you say to, you say swim, not swimming. However, in the past, yes, it's annoying, but we do say, I used to like swimming. Okay? However, if we take the like away in the past, we get, I used to swim. I used to swim makes sense. You're not saying that you used to like swimming in the past. You're just saying you used to swim. This could mean, I used to swim in a competition. I used to swim on Mondays and Tuesdays just to keep healthy. I used to swim, okay? I used to like swimming. So if it's in the past and we have a like, I used to like, we add the ing if it's in the past, okay, always. So, I like to eat. I used to like eating. I don't like reading, or I don't like to read. I used to like reading. I used to read. Okay, I hope that is quite clear. Now, talking about the future with this is very simple. I'm sure if you know some English by now about the tenses, I know they're frustrating. However, you must love the future tense. I will, and that is it. That is all you really need to know in English about the future tense. Obviously, in some cases, it's a little bit more difficult than that. But future tense, I will. So, do you like swimming? I don't know. If I try tomorrow for the first time, I don't know. I think I will like swimming. I think I will like swimming. Yes. So the future tense, I don't want to do any lessons really on the future tense, only with very specific things. However, the present and the past is definitely the most difficult. So let's just do some examples again, okay? Just so this really sinks in. If we say like in the past, we always add ing. Always add ing, okay? I used to like writing. I used to like playing guitar. If we take away the like in the past, I used to play guitar. I used to like whatever it is, okay? So I hope that is clear. Guys, if you want any more information on this video, just pop a comment in the comments below, sorry. Yeah, and if you do like it, please give me a subscribe and give a like to this video as well, okay? I'm doing lessons like this all the time. I am quite new, so I thank you to anyone who has subscribed to me so far. I really thank you a lot, and I hope you are enjoying these videos. Okay, bye for now. Cheers.